I've been around since 1976, specifically kind of in the precision metalworking space. We're about half CNC machines and half welding and fabrication. I believe Oklahoma is a great place to do business. We've got good workforce availability, we've got good standard of living. It gives me the resources I need with employees, with vendors, and with customers to do everything that Hill needs. I think Oklahoma does a great job of supporting businesses. When I talk to my peers, people that own other machine shops around the country, they're always shocked when I talk to them about some of the support we get from the state. We had a large list of projects we were wanting to do. Couldn't afford them all. A lot of endeavors that we wanted to take on over the next 5 to 10 years. When I learned about the grant program, it was a great way to just start kicking off some of those projects. So the first one we took on was to start adopting some automation. We applied for our second round of OIEP just because of the success we had for the first one. That little bit of financial help to kick off a project helps us justify spending those dollars maybe sooner than we would otherwise. The 2 years we've done have both been kind of automation related, answering some of the issues we've had with workforce. That lets my skilled labor use their skills. We've been able to upskill the people we have and make them more valuable. I would encourage any business to apply for OIEP that has projects qualify, because it just doesn't make sense not to.